Your images look blurry in InDesign? Don't worry, they're not really low quality unless they really are. But here's what's going on. Number one, change your display setting. So all you have to do is go to the top menu right here and go to View, Display Performance, and you have to check high quality display. InDesign uses low resolution previews to speed up performance, so switching to high quality makes everything crisp. Number two, check your links. Open your links panel right here or go to Windows and Links and make sure there's no warning icon like this one. There's a warning icon on this PNG file or this image, so it's gotta be this one. So it says here, if you click on this, it says that it's missing. So all you have to do is double click to relink. So just double click and then click that same image. And now that question mark over here is gone. So if an image is missing or outdated, just relink it. Alright, number three, understand resolution. So even if the image looks pixelated on screen, it will export sharp if your original file is high resolution, at least 300 dpi. So always export as PDF and press quality for best print results. So what I'm saying is if you go to File and then hit Export, and then make sure that it's PDF file and then you hit save, and here use press quality, and that's it. Now for the bonus tip, you can always change the default to always show high quality display by going to InDesign and Preferences and then Display Performance, and here the default view should be high quality, and then just hit OK, and that's it. If this helped clear up your images, literally hit subscribe for more quick InDesign fixes. Thanks!